So in the diagram, AB equals to 11 cm, BD equals to 10 cm, AD equals to 6 cm, CD equals to 8 cm, and angle BAC equals to 40 degrees. So find the length of AC. Alright? So this length over here we are supposed to find. Okay? This particular length over here. So how can we find this length over here? Okay? So one way, alright, what I can do is to find this angle first. Alright? So in order to find this angle, I look at the bigger triangle first. Alright, so you ignore this line AC. Okay, you just look at the bigger triangle. So can we find this angle? Yes, we can, right? Okay, so we can use cosine rule. So therefore, cosine of angle ABD. Okay, so now if you are quick enough, okay, I think it's a good practice to, since we are finding angle, okay, for this angle, you can mentally rearrange the terms, okay, from the formula of the cosine rule, okay, to make this cosine of angle ABD the subject. So equals to, alright, so it will be 11 squared plus 10 squared. Okay, so this is how I remember. These two sides make up this angle. Okay, so 11 squared plus 10 squared, then minus the square of the side that is opposite of this angle. Alright, so minus 6 squared, then divided by 2 times 11 times 10. Okay, so this is how I would remember it. Then from here, angle ABD, okay, is inverse cosine. So if you just calculate this out, it's actually 37 over 44. Okay, use the exact value. Alright, so this is approximately, okay, this is approximately 32.7638 degrees. Alright, so this is 32.7638 degrees. Okay, now we are not rounding off to 3SF yet, okay, because we need to round off to more than 3SF because this is not yet the final answer. Okay, so you can round off to, let's say, 5 or for this case 6SF. Okay, so the next one from here, alright, what I will do next is to find this angle over here. So I will have to use cosine rule again. Okay, so you just look at the bigger triangle, you just neglect this line AC. So in order to find that triangle, the angle over there, alright, so this angle over here, okay, in order to find this angle over here, alright, I would have to take, so cosine of angle ADB is equals to, so this would be 10 squared, alright, 10 squared plus 6 squared, 10 squared plus 6 squared minus the side that's opposite of this angle, which is minus 11 squared, alright, then divided by 2 times 10 times 6. Okay, so from here, angle ADB is equals to inverse cosine. If you calculate this out, it's a nice fraction, 1 over 8. Alright, so if you calculate this, it's approximately 82.8192 degrees. Okay, so now let's move on to this slide over here. So what I have, okay, this angle over here, this is 32. Okay, this is 32.7638 degrees. And this angle over here, this is 82.8192 degrees. Alright, and I still have yet to find this unknown side AC. Okay, so what I can do is to add these two angles up, which is actually this angle over here. So you should know one of the property of a triangle. This angle, okay, which is an exterior angle of a triangle, is a sum of these two angles over here. Alright, so if I add them up, okay, so angle ACD is equals to 40 degrees plus 32.7638 degrees. So this is equals to 72.7638 degrees. Alright, so over here, this is 72.7638 degrees. Okay, so now can I find AC Well, I can. All right. I can use what kind of rule? Yes, sine rule. All right. So sine of this over 6 is equals to sine of this angle over AC. Okay. Or since I want to find the unknown side, I will write it in the other way around. So it will be AC over sine of 82.8192 degrees is equals to 6 over sine of 72.7638 degrees. Alright, so AC is equals to 6 times sine 82.8192 degrees divided by sine 72.7638 degrees. Alright, so you just press this in your calculator. You will get approximately, okay, so this is approximately 6.2328 cm. So rounded off to 3SF is 6.23 cm. Okay, so this is for part 1.